Yo, what is up you lot? My name is SIF and welcome back guys to a brand new video, and today we're going to be talking about the rapper Loski. So Loski obviously finally got an update from his court case and it's very crazy, so let's get straight into it. So Loski told the court that he was forced to carry a gun by a man whom he bought cannabis from, who then actually shoved the gun, which he actually got prosecuted for. He shoved the weapon in his face and made threats against him and his mother. So this is actually very crazy because obviously Loski was actually arrested on the 9th of April last year because they actually found a small loaded revolver in a sock underneath the front passenger seat of an Uber that he was obviously traveling in. Loski actually said that he had purchased weed from the dealer known as D more than 10 times previously. He also claimed that once he got into the car with the dealer at a prearranged meeting place in northwest London, things actually started to go wrong, and Loski said that he believed he was being kidnapped, and obviously as a result Loski panicked. However, he said that he put a gun in my face, I was panicking a lot. He also said he knew where I lived and where my mum lived. With a gun in your face, there's not really a way out of it. He then also finally told the court that the drug dealer told him, I need you to hold something for me, and handed him a gun wrapped in tissue, which the dealer told him he had to hold on until the next day before delivering it off to a drop-off point. A lot of people are saying that Loski's lawyer is smart. Some people have mixed feelings about this because some people are saying that, you know, it's a bit stupid because obviously the lawyer's lying in this case to create a lie to help him bust case, and he's not snitching on anyone because apparently this D person, this drug dealer who actually forced Loski to do these things, doesn't even exist. However, some people are also saying that Loski and his lawyer are very smart, and this is good. Whether it's true or lie, we don't know. Obviously, Loski's lawyer could be really good, and obviously this could be fake. Or once again, Loski's lawyer could be really good and this could be truth, and this obviously will give some really solid evidence because as a result, when you're kidnapped, you're not in charge of anything, so they can't really prosecute you for a lot. Obviously, the fact that Loski has done drill music in the past will not help his case. Obviously, from the law point of view and their perspective, is that drill obviously causes violence, which is obviously this has been an ongoing thing with drill, and obviously have famous artists such as Krept and Conan who actually released a song called Ban Drill, which is obviously as their response on what they see as drill, because drill, they basically in that music they said that drill obviously helps them to find a way out of the bad lifestyle, etc. So obviously he done drill music, so obviously that's not really going to help him, which is why I'm guessing the court is going to be a little bit more stricter on him. But if this is true and he does bust case, then it's crazy because obviously he got kidnapped. He's claiming that he got kidnapped and he got forced to hold the gun for him because otherwise his mom obviously got threatened, because obviously this drug dealer said that he knew where he lived and he knew where his mother lived. So clearly he doesn't have a choice, and in that case he's seen as the victim and shouldn't really be prosecuted. However, you know, we don't know too much about that. We'll see what happens, but you know, this is breaking news and we'll see what happens. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and in a bit.